Wood stick furniture and decor projects. Wood sticks might seem like simple everyday materials, but in the hands of a creative designer, they can be transformed into stunning furniture and decor. Whether you're using natural branches, wooden dowels, or repurposed popsicle sticks, these humble materials have the potential to create unique, stylish, and even functional pieces. The beauty of wood stick furniture and decor lies in its simplicity. Unlike heavy, solid wood furniture, wood stick projects offer a lightweight, airy aesthetic that blends seamlessly into modern, rustic, or even minimalist interiors. They bring a sense of nature indoors while adding a handcrafted touch that makes every piece feel personal. And the best part? These designs are not only visually appealing, but also budget-friendly and sustainable. One of the most remarkable aspects of wood stick furniture is how versatile it can be. Imagine a sleek, minimalist wooden stick chair. Instead of using traditional solid wood planks, this design relies on multiple thin wooden rods arranged in a geometric pattern. The result is a sturdy yet lightweight chair that looks like a work of art. Some of these chairs feature curved wooden sticks, allowing for ergonomic comfort, while others experiment with angles and symmetry, creating visually striking silhouettes. These designs prove that strength and style can be achieved even with the simplest materials. Tables made from wooden sticks are another fascinating example of innovative craftsmanship. Instead of a solid wood tabletop, some designs use layered wooden sticks arranged in intricate patterns, creating an almost woven effect. Others use sticks as the table legs, forming interlocking structures that look sculptural yet remain fully functional. These tables are perfect for adding an artistic touch to a living space while keeping the overall aesthetic light and open. For those who love creative storage solutions, wooden stick shelving is a fantastic option. Whether it's a freestanding bookshelf, a wall-mounted unit, or a modular system, wooden sticks can be arranged to form surprisingly strong and stylish storage pieces. Some designs use crisscrossing wooden sticks to create open, airy shelving units that hold books, plants, or decorative items. Others incorporate natural branches, maintaining the organic, imperfect shapes of the wood, adding a raw, rustic feel to the space. These shelves blend nature and function seamlessly, making them ideal for modern eco-conscious interiors. Beyond furniture, wood sticks also make for incredible decor projects. Wooden stick wall art is a great way to bring warmth and texture to a space. By arranging sticks into geometric patterns, layered mandalas, or even nature-inspired motifs, artists create stunning wall pieces that stand out without overwhelming the room. Some designs use burnt or stained wood to add depth and contrast, while others keep the natural wood tone for a more understated elegance. One particularly mesmerizing decor idea is the use of wood sticks in lighting designs. Pendant lamps, chandeliers, and even floor lamps can be crafted using thin wooden rods arranged in intricate patterns. The gaps between the sticks allow light to pass through, casting beautiful shadows across the room. Some of these designs incorporate LED strips hidden within the structure, creating a soft, ambient glow. The result is a lighting fixture that doubles as a stunning sculptural piece. For those who appreciate functional decor, wooden stick room dividers offer a stylish way to separate spaces without closing them off completely. Instead of using solid walls or heavy partitions, these dividers feature vertical or angled wooden sticks that maintain an open, breathable feel. Some designs are inspired by bamboo screens, while others take a more contemporary approach with structured, uniform layouts. These dividers are perfect for small apartments, open-plan homes, or even office spaces where subtle separation is needed without sacrificing light and flow. Small decorative pieces made from wooden sticks also hold immense charm. From handcrafted coasters and trays to candle holders and planters, there's no limit to what can be created. Wooden stick vases, for example, can be made by arranging sticks around a glass or ceramic base, creating a natural yet modern aesthetic. Similarly, Picture frames made from wooden sticks add a rustic, handmade touch to any space, making them perfect for displaying cherished memories. Sustainability is another key reason why wooden stick projects are growing in popularity. Unlike solid wood furniture that often requires large amounts of material, wood stick designs make use of thin, minimal resources while still achieving durability and visual appeal. Many crafters also use reclaimed wood sticks, repurposing old materials into new, stylish creations. This not only reduces waste, but also gives each piece a unique story, adding character and history to the design. Another fascinating aspect of wood stick projects is the variety of textures and finishes that can be achieved. Some designs embrace a raw, natural look, leaving the sticks unpolished and uneven to highlight the organic beauty of the wood. Others go for a refined approach, sanding and staining the sticks to create a sleek, polished appearance. Some even mix materials, incorporating metal or glass elements for a modern contrast. These design choices allow wooden stick furniture and decor to fit seamlessly into different styles, from bohemian and rustic to industrial and Scandinavian. Even in outdoor spaces, wooden stick designs have a special place. Garden furniture made from wooden sticks, such as benches, trellises, or pergolas, creates a natural, harmonious atmosphere. Wind chimes, birdhouses, or hanging plant holders crafted from wooden sticks add a charming touch to patios and balconies. The flexibility of wood sticks allows for endless possibilities, making it easy to personalize outdoor areas with handcrafted beauty. Wooden stick projects also offer a unique way to express creativity. Whether you're an experienced woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, working with wooden sticks allows for experimentation with patterns, structures, and artistic forms. The simplicity of the material encourages innovative thinking, leading to unexpected and extraordinary results. Some of the most breathtaking wooden stick designs come from crafters who push the boundaries of traditional woodworking, creating pieces that challenge expectations and redefine what's possible. At the heart of all these projects is an appreciation for craftsmanship and the natural beauty of wood. The delicate balance between strength and elegance, tradition and modernity, function and art. Wood stick furniture and decor perfectly encapsulate these qualities. They remind us that even the simplest materials can be transformed into something remarkable with a bit of imagination and skill. Whether it's a striking wooden stick chair, a sculptural lighting fixture, or a beautifully arranged piece of wall art, these designs demonstrate that creativity has no limits. At first glance, wood sticks might seem like an unassuming material, simple and perhaps even rough in their raw form. But when combined with the right vision and skill, these humble sticks transform into works of art, furniture, and functional pieces that captivate the imagination. Wood, in its natural state, carries with it the beauty of the earth. Its textures, grains, and patterns tell stories of growth and time, making it a material that connects us to nature. When wood is worked with by talented designers and artisans, it undergoes a metamorphosis that reveals its potential for artistry. Each piece, from chairs to lighting to wall art, reflects the creativity of the maker, as well as the limitless possibilities of what can be done with even the simplest elements of nature. As we see more and more designers experiment with wood in new and exciting ways, it's clear that this material holds boundless potential. Wood is not limited by its natural state. Through innovation, it becomes a medium for bold designs, cutting-edge functionality, and expressive art. The magic lies in how artists and designers push the boundaries of what's possible with wood, bending it, shaping it, and reimagining it in ways that challenge traditional norms. In the world of design, the humble wood stick has evolved from a mere building block to a source of inspiration, offering fresh opportunities for functional and decorative objects alike. We've seen how it can be manipulated to create gravity-defying structures, intricate sculptures, and breathtaking designs that defy expectations. And as technology, craftsmanship, and imagination continue to evolve, we can only anticipate even more stunning creations that expand the boundaries of what wood can achieve. Each new innovation in wooden design not only reflects the skills of the designer, but also celebrates the versatility and timeless appeal of the material itself. Whether it's used to craft a whimsical chair that challenges the laws of physics, a stunning light fixture that casts dramatic shadows, or a piece of wall art that captures the essence of nature, wood continues to inspire wonder and awe. So, as we look forward to the future of woodworking, one thing is certain. The world of wooden design is evolving, and the potential for new, incredible creations is limitless. Wood will continue to be a medium for expression, innovation, and artistry, proving that even the simplest materials can be transformed into extraordinary works of art. And as designers and artisans push the boundaries of what can be done with wood, we will undoubtedly continue to witness breathtaking, game-changing designs emerge from the most unexpected places.